Kandhamal Jilla Vaidya Sangathan, KZSVS, is an organization dedicated to fostering sustainable development and improving the lives of rural communities in Kandhamal. Through its wide-ranging initiatives, KZSVS empowers individuals and families, helping them gain financial stability and achieve a better quality of life.
आमे पाखापाखि 320 किलोमीटर रु अधिका माटी पक्का रास्ता करिवार सक्षम हेचु आ 120 रु अधिका सक्सेसफुल वाटर शेड प्रोजेक्ट आमे जो जंगल पहाड़ रु पानी आनी गाँ रे सब समय एग्रीकल्चर एक्टिविटी को करि परिछु जो द्वारा एठिकार माइग्रेशन ता पूरा तो किछि मात्रा रोकी परिछु आमे.
One of the organization's key programs is the construction of irrigation canals, which not only supports agricultural growth but also generates income for local communities. By creating better water management systems, KZSVS helps farmers improve crop yields while also providing employment through the construction projects. This dual approach strengthens the economy and ensures long-term sustainability for rural livelihoods.
एग्रीकल्चर जो माने करछन्ति से मानको आमे बिहन देउछु से माने ठीक भाबरे ताको चाषबास कला परे से माने ताको बिक्री करछन्ति.
KZSVS is also preserving traditional craftsmanship through bamboo crafting, offering artisans a platform to showcase their skills and create beautiful, sustainable products. The organization supports local bamboo crafters by providing training, tools, and market access, enabling them to turn their craft into a reliable source of income while preserving their cultural heritage.
कंधमाल जिला वैद्य संगठन तरफरु आमे ये बाउंस ट्रेनिंग रो आउ किछिडा सिखिलु सिखिकी आमे सेइडा व्यवसाय करिकी प्रतिपोषण होउछु.
The Smile Tuition program is another cornerstone of KZSVS's efforts. This initiative provides free educational support to children from underserved communities. Through Smile, children receive tutoring in core subjects, helping them bridge gaps in their education and increase their chances of success in school. KZSVS is also raising awareness about health and hygiene by distributing sanitary napkins and soap to women and girls in rural areas.
56 गाँव रे आमे काम करिछु जोटा कि एडोलसेंट एवं महिला मानक नेकी तो से माने अंधविश्वास रु दूर ही वर्तमान से माने हाइजीन उपरे सचेतन मदे हेले से माने को अवेयरनेस मदे बारंबार दिया हेछि ता सहित से माने एबे निजे मदे सचेतन हेबा सहित पुनी आखो पाखो पड़ोसी मानक मदे से माने सचेतन करे पारुछन्ति.
This initiative not only promotes better menstrual hygiene but also ensures that women have access to the basic essentials needed for their health and well-being.
आ विशेष करी आमे जो लाइफ स्टॉक कंपोनेंट रे कुकुडा घर सपोर्ट करूछु छेली घर सपोर्ट करूछु एवं जो मानकर पोखरी अछि से मानको आमे माछ जाळ आमे दउछु.
By providing training and resources to start small-scale farms, the organization helps families diversify their income streams, leading to greater financial independence. KZSVS also encourages kitchen gardening, promoting sustainable agriculture and self-sufficiency. Families are taught how to grow their own vegetables, providing fresh produce for daily meals and increasing nutrition.
मते बहुत संगठन तरफरु मते किछि टेलिस माध्यम रे हमकु सहायता करिसंती कारण आमे पूर्वरु चाष काम करिथाय आसुछु आ से समय रे हमकु बहुत परिश्रम करिया पडुथिला. ए टेलिस भितरे मु अनेक प्रकार बा भेंडी बीन्सी आ अलडी कोखारू कलरा इमिते अनेक प्रकार केते चारा लगे अछि.
The organization connects this initiative with turmeric farming, a key agricultural product in the region, helping farmers diversify their crops and enhance their livelihoods. Through these diverse programs, KZSVS is creating lasting change, empowering individuals, and transforming communities. By providing resources, education, and support, KZSVS helps people break the cycle of poverty, fostering self-reliance and long-term prosperity for rural families in Kandhamal.